Well, you can see right here, we're going to do a little DIY action right here. So we have a amazing glue gun. Now, I may be compensated for doing this video, as they did send this to me. And it does work with an 18-volt Milwaukee battery. And this was sent to me as well. So very easy to lock this in. And then you can see right there that the red light is on. So that indicates that it is ready to go. Now, this is a glue gun. It's very hot. So make sure you're very careful with this. And very easy to use. You can see the handle here. And ergonomically, it's awesome. Love the handle. And then it comes with these glue sticks right here. So very easy to unzip these. So we're going to try one of these out. And then again, you just put it right in the back here, just like this. Push it in. And then we're going to take a couple of these little flowers that you see right in here. And we're going to give it a whirl. So we're going to, it's now again, it's very hot. So just be very careful with this. So we're going to push the button right here and push it in, and now you can see it's all the way in right there. Okay, very easy to push it all the way in, and then we're going to squeeze and pull, and you got to do it a couple times first. Now it's got the on-off button right here on the side of it. You can see that. And so I always have loved glue guns. Now you can see, very easy, and you can see the glue came out there, right there. You can see it. And then we're gonna put it right on the paper, and there you go. And so a lot of times, you know, you don't want to use tape, and you want it to be just really mess-free, and you want it to not show the tape and things like that. So if you guys are looking for an amazing glue gun, very easy to set up. And again, remember, it's very hot, but you just need a little bit, and you can start making some great designs. Use this to fix things. If you're looking to put some things together, this stuff is awesome. If you want to put some ribbon on here, use your imagination. This is great for the kids and the adults alike. Look at that. So easy to use, so easy to set up, very easy to clean, and again, very easy to use the battery, very easy to use the battery, and you can just charge it up and use it again. So I hope this video helps. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.